For those of you who are looking for an alternative to tap water, and since you just saw the basic, which is chlorine, many people are always concerned about, is there lead in my tap water, which can come from being leached out of solder in pipes, or a lot of water faucets have brass fittings in them, so the lead can leach out. You could be at risk for waterborne parasites like Cryptosporidium, Giardia, a wide range of volatile organic chemicals. In the last probably 20 years, there have been a huge increase in the number of manufacturers of drinking water systems, and obviously many different bottled water companies and faucet mounts. So there's a wide range of different drinking water alternatives available to the public. And over the years, Consumer Reports has done a great job of adjudicating different appliances, etc. And in the Consumer Reports Kitchen magazine that comes out once a year, in both 2012 and 13, the drinking water systems that I'm featuring today are the Multipure drinking water system product line, and we're ranked #1 in the under sink filter category. And this drinking water system is the broadest certified currently under the NSF International Nonprofit Testing Lab category. And in 1991, the drinking water filter industry got together with the EPA and the NSF Nonprofit Lab in order to set up testing protocol to protect the public from false performance claims, because there were a lot of water filters that would claim they would take a wide range of contaminants of health concern out of the water, and they really didn't. So now you as a consumer, when you're looking for a drinking water system, you're able to go to the nsf.org website or contact the manufacturer of the drinking water system directly and request the NSF testing lab data results. This is the Multipure drinking water system 750-gallon below sink stainless steel model. This is the Multipure replaceable carbon block cartridge. It's a 750-gallon capacity. Change it once a year, and to the naked eye here it looks like it's just sort of a white cotton ball. This is why I have to show you what's called a cutaway filter. This shows the compressed carbon, which is a solid material compared to a lot of granular activated carbon where it's porous, so the water isn't in contact long enough for the chemicals to bond to the carbon or to be filtered down to a 0.5 micron, which is at the core of the cartridge. This is why it's certified to reduce Giardia, Cryptosporidium, and these are down to a 0.5 micron in size, so they just get trapped. So the outside will trap pipe debris. A lot of people complain, well, I've got brown rust in my drinking water first thing in the morning. So anything of sediment of size will be trapped in the outer wrap of the Multipure cartridge, and then anything down to a 0.5 micron is forced through the outside, will trap, and then come out through the center of the unit, out through. In this case, we have a below sink model with a separate ledge faucet, so that when you're using your Multipure drinking water system, which just tees off the cold water line under the sink, you're not wasting your water going through a filter just to rinse your plates or your hands. You don't want to waste it on utility water. So when you order a below sink model, such as which was featured in the Consumer Reports, you can just turn on your spigot and you get a gallon a minute flow rate.